So, short video to show my welder and get a few questions about this welder. Let's get that out of the way. So it's Rtec, spin it around, you see on the side, Rtec welder, and it's the MiG 180 with inverter technology. Now, this is the main reason why I went for it, because inverter welders, once I tried one, there's no going back. The difference between welding with one of these and welding with a transformer type of welder is like chalk and cheese. The other reason, and which is really helpful, is the infinite control of your voltage. So the cheaper, cheerful welders, you've got the two switches, two rocker switches, high, low, and 1 and 2, and you can never get them spot on. They're either too high, too low. It's a difficult, and if you mess around with welding, you'll notice that about 5-6 o'clock in the afternoon, the current will drop in the mains, and that affects the welder. Used to affect the other welder horrifically. It doesn't affect this one quite so badly. I don't really have a set way of using these as such. There's a amperage gauge on there. I don't really worry too much about that. If I'm welding thin metal, I tend to have those set like that. I tend to mirror these. It seems to work for me. If I'm plug welding, I'm somewhere near the top, possibly a little bit further over. And if I'm welding thicker stuff, I sort of bob it over there somewhere and just turn it up and down to suit myself, as if depending on how the welder's working. But as a rule of thumb, somewhere around there is right for general welding on bodywork. I've got the whole thing set up on a trolley, which I built a little while ago, and I've got my plasma cutter on there, my spot welder on there. Just keeps everything all in one place. I use carbon dioxide gas and just a cheap and cheerful regulator off eBay. Need to get another one. Broke this a few years ago and never got around to fixing it again with this. I don't really have a set pressure for this. I just open it up and set that till I hear it going out the gun. As simple as that. If it's not enough, the welder will be porous. If it's too much, the welder will chill too fast. So you kind of suck it and see on that one. Around the back, I've got the get down here to have a look at it. Got some plug set up on the back here. So plugs in through there, everything plugs into that, and I've got spare plugs in for like grinder, drill, whatever I'm using, because you tend to use it near the near the welder at the same time. So simple setup, just a short video just to explain what I got and what I'm using, because I've had the questions about it. Hope that was helpful. Cheers.